Hello everyone. Today I am going to start the fifth module of your DipMath syllabus, that is ordinary differential equations, which we called as ODEs. In short, we called for ordinary differential equations as ODEs. Here we are going to discuss the concepts. Introduction means introduction about ordinary differential equations, and solution of first order and first degree differential equations, and in that we will discuss the types of first order and first degree differential equations, that is exact equation and linear differential equations, and also equations reducible to exact, and last one is Bernoulli's equations. In this modulo you will learn these concepts. First is ordinary differential equations. Let us see what is the definition of ordinary differential equations. Means when we say the equation is ordinary differential equations, we know that y is equal to f of x is a function. If y is equal to f of x is an unknown function, an equation which involves at least one derivative of y with respect to x, derivative of y with respect to x, is called an ordinary differential equations. When we say the equation is ordinary differential equation, when the equation involves at least one, means the equation involves at least one derivative of y. Derivative of y means dy with respect to x, means dy by dx, is called an ordinary differential equations. Means the equation which involves at least one derivative, and in that derivative means derivative of y with respect to x, then that equation is called ordinary differential equation. See, y is equal to f of x is a function, not an equation. If it involves, if it is y dash means dy by dx, then it is called ordinary differential equations. The equation which involves at least one derivative of y with respect to x is called ordinary differential equations, which we called as ODE, which is also known as differential equations. Ordinary differential equations and differential equations both are same. The equation which involves at least one derivative of y with respect to x is known as ordinary differential equations, which we called further as a differential simply differential equations. Here, when we write a differential equation, we get two concepts, two definitions, that is order and degree. We have to understand what is the order of the differential equations and what is the degree of the differential equations. Let us see what is the definition of order. The order of differential equation is the order of the highest derivative present in the equations. What is the order? Order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative present in the equations. Highest derivative means for the given equation we have to consider the power of the order of the highest derivative. See here, dy by dx is equal to x here. This is a dy by dx, means here we have a derivative of y with respect to x, means this is a differential equation, and dy by dx is equal to x. Here the highest derivative is what? 1, because d1y divided by dx1 means d square y by dx square for the second derivative. For the first derivative it is dy by dx. Here highest derivative is 1, therefore, and this highest derivative is 1 only, and its order is 1. Here nothing is there, means it is 1, therefore the order of this one is 1. Next is, in the first example we have a first derivative, therefore order of this equation is 1. Here we have dy by dx whole square plus dy by dx is equal to 1. Here we have both the terms are first derivative with irrespective of this power. We have to just observe the highest derivative. Here highest derivative is 1 for this one. Here also highest derivative is 1. So that order of this equation is 1. Here in the third example we have d square y by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx is equal to 0. See, for this derivative the order of this equation derivative is 1, and for this one it is 2. Order means what? Order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative. This is the highest derivative, and because order is 2 as compared to 1, the 2 is greater, therefore highest derivative for this given equation is 2, therefore order is 2. Similarly, for the fourth one we have here the third derivative, second derivative and also first derivative. The definition of order is order of the highest derivative present in the equation. Here the highest derivative is what? 3. Derivative is dy by dx, and highest order derivative is what? D cube y by dx cube. Therefore the order of this equation is 3. This is about order. Order means what? Order of the differential equation is the order of the highest derivative present in the equations. We have to write the order, just we have to observe the highest derivative present in the equations. Okay, next go to the degree. What is the degree of the differential equation? The degree of the differential, D means differential equation, is the degree of the highest order derivative. For order, highest derivative, but for degree we have to observe highest order derivative after clearing the fractional powers. Okay, see here dy by dx plus 3x is equal to 0. Here highest order derivative is 1. Highest order is 1 only. Dy by dx whole square. Here the power is 1 means the degree of this highest order. This is, here we don't have any derivative except this one, and for this equation the highest order is 1. Highest order derivative is dy by dx whose power is 1. Therefore degree of this equation is 1. Okay, for degree we have to observe the degree of the highest order derivative. See, second example, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube is equal to 2. Okay, highest order derivative is what? Highest order is 2. Highest order derivative is d cube y by dx square. The degree of the differential equation, is the degree of the highest order derivative. Here we have to observe the degree of the highest order derivative. In this equation the highest order derivative is this one. Okay, degree of this one is 1, so that degree of this equation is 1. Next is, here we have the third derivative and second derivative. The degree of the third derivative is 2 and degree of the second derivative is 4. Okay, and for this one the degree is 1. We have to take the degree of the differential equation on observing the highest order derivative. Highest order is 3 and its degree is 2. Therefore degree of this equation is 2. Okay, let us see some example along with both degree and order. Dy by dx is equal to 2x, order is 1, degree is 1, and for dy by dx whole square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 2 is equal to 0. For this equation order is also equal to 1 because both the orders are 1. Highest order is 1 and degree of highest order is 2. Next is here the highest order is 2 because highest here we have derivative d square dx divided by dt square. Therefore highest order derivative is 2 and its degree is 1. Okay, therefore order is 2, degree is 1. Here also highest order is 3 and its degree is 1. Therefore order is 3, degree is 1. Next note, the solution of a differential equation is a relationship between the dependent and independent variables satisfying the given equations. Means the solution of differential equation is what? It is the relationship between dependent and independent variable which satisfies the given equations. Next is general solution. For finding the solution of differential equations, we have two solutions, that is a general solution and another one is particular solution. Let us see one by one. What is general solution here? A solution of an arbitrary differential equation. A solution of an ordinary differential equation of order n that involves exactly n essential arbitrary constants known as general solutions. What is general solution? General solution of differential equation which is of order n. If we are considering the differential equations having a order n and that involves exactly n essential arbitrary constants, means when you are considering the differential equations of order n, after solving the solution contains the n number of arbitrary constants, then that solution is called general solution. Let us see example. Y is equal to 2x square plus x plus c. See here, x is a variable and c is a constant. Okay, which is a solution of, this is a solution of what? For which equation this is a solution? Here they are given y dash is equal to 4x plus 1. Solution of this one is y is equal to 2x square plus x plus 1. Order of this given equation is what? Y dash means dy by dx. Order of this one is, highest order is 1, means this has a order 1 and after solving the examples in the solution we have n number of unknowns, n number of essential arbitrary constants. This is an arbitrary constant. Here we have order is 1 and after the solution, after solving the example we have one arbitrary constant, then that solution, then it is known as general solution. Therefore this is a general solution having a constant c. This is a general solution of the equation y dash is equal to 4x plus c. Y dash means what? Dy by dx. Dy by dx means highest order is what? 1. Here highest order is 1 and after solving that we get one arbitrary constant. See what is the definition? Differential equation of order n that involves exactly n essential arbitrary constants. Okay, see here we are having the order of the differential equation is 1 and after solving we get one arbitrary constant. Then this equation, this solution is called general solution for this given differential equation. Okay, next is particular solution. A arbitrary constant present in the solution are evaluated by using a set of given conditions, then the solution so obtained is called particular solution. Means after solving the given differential equation we get a general equations as we discussed earlier. In that general solution we have a particular constant. To solve that particular constant we have to use the set of given conditions. To find the particular solution for the given function we have to substitute the set of the given condition. The conditions also they are given. We have to substitute that set of given conditions in that general solution. You will get the particular solution. To understand general and particular solutions, I will explain this example. See clearly. Consider given dy by dx is equal to 4x plus 1. I am using the same example which I have taken in the general solution. Dy by dx is the y dash means dy by dx is equal to 4x plus 1. Then find particular solution where y of 0 is equal to 1. Y of 0 means what? Y of x is equal to, that means y of x is equal to 1. Here y value is 1, x value is 0. Okay, dy by dx is equal to 4x plus 1. To solve this one, we have to consider integration on both sides. Before that, I have to take this dx here. Here it is. This is in a dividing form. It will be here 4x plus 1 into dx. Now take the integration on both sides. Integration of dy is equal to integration of 4x plus 1 into dx. Next, integration of dy is what? Y, which is equal to 4 into integration of x is x square by 2 and integration of 1 is x plus integration constant c. 4 2 1s are 2 2s are 2x square plus x plus c. This is a general solution. Okay, here we are taking the differential equation of order 1. After solving in general solution, we have one arbitrary constants, okay, which satisfies your general solution definition. Okay, this is the general solution of this given differential equation. Now to find the particular solution, we have to use this given condition. To find c, use the condition y of 0 is equal to 1. We get here x value is 0, y is equal to 1. Then 1 is equal to 2 into 0 plus c. 2 into 0 means 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus c is c only. Therefore 1 is equal to c. The particular solution is y is equal to 2x square plus x plus 1 is the particular solution for this given differential equation. This is how we have to find the general solution and particular solutions. These are all about introduction to ordinary differential equation. Next topic is solution of first order and first degree differential equation. See, recollecting the definition of order and degree of differential equation, a first order and first degree equation will be of the form dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y, or m of xy dx plus n of xy into dy is equal to 0. These are the first order and first degree differential equations. Here we have 4 types of differential equations for first order and first degree as follows. First one is variable separable equations. Next is homogeneous equations, exact equations, linear equations and Bernoulli's equations. These are the 4 types. For your syllabus, here these 2 types are for only recap. Just we have to recap these 2 types. Recap means just we have to go through the just brief explanation about these 2 types. But for these 2 types we will discuss in detail. Okay. In detail we will discuss what is the exact equation and examples involved in this exact equations, and similarly for linear equations and Bernoulli's equation. In the next class we will see the variable separable equations and examples on that.